So one person commented on my video about the Shure SM7B that this was fake. So I decided to make a video and showing you the microphone in a closer look, just to see if there's any experts, if they actually can spot if actually this is a fake or real Shure SM7B. So we're gonna see, I'm gonna check this microphone, I'm gonna show you, and I hope someone comment on the video and see if actually this is a fake or real Shure SM7B. Let me remove the windscreen foam and just to see the capsule inside, if you can have a better look. As you can see, I hope some people know if actually this is the real deal, because if you follow my video, I bought this microphone from Amazon Marketplace. No, sorry, a Facebook Marketplace. And many people said that this is the real deal, but one person said that this is fake. So I decided to make a video. And I hope somebody can comment and say, yeah, this is a fake or this is a real. So some people say that if this is the real deal, obviously you're gonna have some give to it here, some movements here, as you can see. Like did you see the gap here? In the fake one, you're not gonna have the gap. So again, I'm not sure if this is true. Also, I don't know if you can see here, I don't know if there's something inside, like a code or number or something. So let me see. No, there's nothing. Maybe there's like some number or something inside. So, but anyway, let me put the windscreen foam. Also, some people said that the windscreen foam, it's different shape. So again, this is gonna be closer look. And the fake Shure SM7B, it's a little bit taller. I don't have a fake Shure SM7B to show you, but it's a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. And also, when you put the windscreen foam, apparently there's like a click. So let me see if this is true. Yeah. So there's a click. Another interesting spot to find if this is fake or real. Obviously, when you start to listen to the microphone. But let me know in the comments down below if this is a real or fake microphone. The other thing that I can do is send it to Shure directly and they can check it. But I think this is the real deal. I don't know why people think this is a fake Shure SM7B. But again, you never know. You never know when you buy microphones from internet. I hope this is the real deal. I really do, actually, because I do enjoy this microphone. It's very popular, and it's a nice microphone to have. It's a great collection. I don't know what is this here, if it's like a dent or something, or it's just dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna try to clean that as well. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Shure SM7B, fake or real? You let me know in the comments down below. What do you think, if this is the fake or the Shure SM7B? I already did few videos about this microphone, so check the videos in the descriptions down below. comparison videos, unboxing videos. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.